we are ready to get going. That finally, that long planned strawberry tower, we're starting the framing today. Let's see how we get on with that. Well, there's today's job done, most of the framing done. We still have to put some planks vertically down so that we could put brackets for the tubs for the strawberries on either side. Something special happening there in the middle. We're gonna have to wait for that one. But yeah, that's that job done today. Really happy with that. Right, that's part 2 done for today. Getting the slats up on the sides. Pity we couldn't have the energy and ability to get those tins sorted out today, but that'll have to wait for the next opportunity, and so we'll bring that to you in part 3. We have 2 big bags full of these coffee tins from a coffee shop. We got them when they were going to chuck them out. If you remember, I got them a few years ago. So they've rusted nicely, but we're not sure whether we're going to use them as troughs that way or baskets that way. We've still got to figure out how we're going to cut them, shape them, mount them, and then fill them. So we'll explore the how-tos of mounting them in the next part 3. And it's painfully slow, frustratingly slow after getting started, after so many years of planning and wanting to get this done, but we have to be patient. As soon as we got that done, I'll be getting those strawberries out of the beds and filling them into the tins, ready for next year. They can overwinter in there, ready for next spring. Exciting stuff. We're definitely getting there, and of course it provides even more of a wind barrier, and when the tins are on, even more so there'll be an even warmer microclimate here under the pergola. I've still got to paint the beams. Oh, and we've got this plastic, the one roofing sheet we've got on here, so that also automatically warmed it up even more than the enviromesh. That warmed it up instantly. So I'm going to make curtains out of the enviromesh, I think, to put in here. Don't know how, but I think I'm going to make curtains out of it. That might make it a little more cozy still, especially in the winter. Though that's a tricky thing to figure out, but we'll see how it goes. This table's going to go indoors soon. The blue table in the living room is going to go upstairs when I clear even more out of there, so I can reconfigure the whole bedroom for a second single bed. So that's going to go upstairs. This will be all tidied up and made nice to go in the lounge, and then this will be more of a living room. So we're getting there. Yes, we are. I'm so excited. And something nice to go there, and something else nice to go in there. But right now I'm just going to bring all the plants back in here that I need to protect from the cold and the weathers. Oh, and by the way, this was coming back beautifully, and those beasties came back again. So I'm gonna spray it wet, and I'm gonna sprinkle on some neem powder to see if that has any effect. The beasties came back. It was just looking beautiful with new growth and looking promising, and those horrible little beasts came back again. I don't use pesticides. I hate it. But in this instance, I think it calls for it. Look how beautiful they were coming back. And again, horrible beasts. I don't have much compassion for those ones. Yes, it appears my compassion is not unconditional. But it doesn't have any natural predators apparently. And there's not much that deters it, so what else do you do? Anybody got any ideas? Please let me know. In the meantime, oh look, it already looks like a garden feature in there. Yay! Right, watch this space, ready for part 3. Even after just putting the plants back in the tubs there for protection from the winter, it already looks better. Looks pretty good already. Can't wait to see it finished. But for now, I think I'm just gonna say thank you so much to new subscribers as well, and to those who have been with me from the start of my channel. And thank you for sticking with us. I love your support. I appreciate it, and I love your comments. You've all been so kind and helpful. And I do actually have, for the homemaking video next month, somebody actually came back to me with a question and what it would be nice to know about how to keep fresh fruit and veggies fresh for longer without, you know, how to keep them stored for longer. So I'll be making a video on that for November. Yeah, that's what's coming up in the homemaking for next month. I think the continuation of the strawberry tower will be the video for November for the garden. For the crafts, I'll show you what I will be finishing, and we'll be back to normal schedule again in November. Until next week, or later on in this week for the rest of this garden video. And the strawberry, I'd say more than strawberry tower, I'd say strawberry wall. Yes, a living wall. This will be a living room by the time I'm done. Oh, okay. All right, folks. Thank you all so much. If you've stuck it out to this far in the video, you're heroes. I love you loads. Take care, folks. Bye-bye.